Libraries and executables are called as targets in CMake, and every target in CMake has some properties and dependencies in it. We can have one target which depends on other target or which can further be dependent on others. Let's see how these libraries are built using the add library command in CMake. So let's create our module 6 which defines our libraries. So let me just create a new folder here, name it as module 6 and press enter, and let me go to module 5 and copy our files and paste it inside module 6, and let me open build and let me go to the terminal and remove all the files. So as I have already previously explained, this is command rm space minus rf space star, that will remove all the files which are present in the current folder. So let's see, as you can see, the folder is empty right now, and let's open our CMake list and let's define our libraries by using our add library command. So let me press enter here and make some space, okay, so that you can understand it better. So why we are writing CMake minimum required, I have already covered it in the previous lecture, as well as why we have written here project. Okay, let's now add our two libraries. So let me add add library, and let me call this library as commutative. Let's say we are dealing with operations, commutative operations. So as you people know from maths, commutation holds true for addition and multiplication. So in this we will write here the name of this library as COMM, short form for commutation. You can use any other name, and in this I will add addition.cpp, add.cpp, and I will add multiplication. So with the name here is multi.cpp. Let me close the parenthesis and let me add another library, add library, and let me call it as not commutative. We know that there are some operations in maths which are not commutative in nature, that can be subtraction and division. So let me write sub.cpp lies inside this, and a division div.cpp, and let me close it, and let me remove these files from our executable command because we have already added them in the libraries. So let me remove this, and let's link these libraries because we have already made our two libraries, commutative and not commutative. Let me link these two libraries to the executable. So we can link our target libraries to the executable by using the command target hyphen link libraries. Be very careful with the spellings, libraries, and write the name of the executable. Here it is calculator, and space write your name of the libraries. For example, the first one is commutative and the next one is not commutative, so COMM, and let me here close this and save it. Now let's go back to our build folder and let's open our terminal from here. So as you can see, let me close the previous one. So let's open this and let's see here the folder is empty right now. So let's run our CMake command from here. So CMake space dot dot, and let me press enter here. So as you can see that our files are generated, our build files are generated inside the CMake build folder, and let me write here make to create our executable, and this time you will see that the libraries are separately generated, while though the final output, the executable will be same, but here they are separately. So we are basically making a little more modular the given project. So let me write here make and let me press enter. So as we can see here that it is making here not commutative for subtraction and division, and for commutative it is making addition and multiplication, and we already have our calculator, so we can run it and we can check if it works or not. So let me press here and let me write calculator and let me check if it is working. Yes, it's working. Enter two numbers, let me add 2 and let me add 3. So it's giving us the final output. So this is the way we can add libraries according to our choice, and we can target these libraries to the executables. We can have more than one targets depending on others, that we will see in the subsequent lectures.